Now we will focus on electromagnetic theory. So we have the first question in electromagnetic theory. Two magnetic dipoles of magnitude m each are placed in a plane as shown in the figure. So we have this figure over here which shows two dipoles being placed. Then we need to find out the energy of interaction. And we have these four options. We need to select the correct option for energy of interaction. So we see that these two dipoles are placed over here at location 1 and location 2. And we are given the angle that they make. And the line joining the dipoles kept at location 1 and 2, the distance of that is given as d. So we know that the formula for energy between two dipoles, the energy between any two dipoles is given as follows: mu naught over 4 pi r cube m1 dot m2 minus 3 m1 dot r cap times m2 dot r cap. So this is the energy that is there. This is the energy of interaction between the two dipoles. Now we clearly see that m1, that is dipole over here, and this dipole over here, they are perpendicular. That is m1 is perpendicular to m2 in our case. That means m1 dot m2 term is equal to 0. And for our case, r is nothing but d. So what we have is u is mu naught over 4 pi d cubed, because r is d. m1 dot m2 is 0 minus 3 m1 dot r cap. So this is r cap. So this direction right here. So this direction is the r cap unit vector direction, which joins m1 and m2 along that line joining m1 and m2. So that is our r cap vector. And we clearly see that the angle between m1 and r cap is 45 degrees. So m1 dot r cap would be m cosine 45 degrees. And similarly, m2 and r cap also make an angle of 45 degrees. We see that this angle right here, or we are also given, is 45 degrees. So angle between m2 and r cap would also be 45 degrees. So we have again m cosine 45 degrees. And cosine 45 degrees is nothing but 1 over root 2. Sorry, not 1 over 2, 1 over root 2. So this gives us mu naught by 4 pi d cubed minus 3 m squared divided by 2. 1 over root 2 from here, 1 over root 2 from here. So minus 3 m squared by 2. So the correct option would be, so this 2 and this 4 would combine to give you 8. So minus 3 mu naught m squared over 8 pi d cube. That's the correct answer. So the correct option is option number D, minus 3 mu naught m squared over 8 pi d cube. So this was a very simple question of a simple configuration of two dipoles, and we had to find out the energy. So energy of interaction is nothing but the potential energy of the configuration. So sometimes people might use potential energy of the configuration or energy of interaction. So different words being used, different phrases for things which mean exactly the same.